Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable OK Google on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. As you can see now, whenever I say Hey Google or OK Google, it opens Google Assistant, and if I want to disable it, go to Google app, then click on your profile in top right corner, click on Settings, Google Assistant, Hey Google and Voice Match, and now disable Hey Google. Now whenever you say Hey Google, it doesn't open Hey Google anymore. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.